Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect Stripe to n8n. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to log in to our n8n account, and then once logged in, click on Personal in the left panel, and then click on the workflow that we want to work on. Now, we're going to add the first step, and we're going to search Stripe in the search nodes. Click here, then click a trigger that we want to use. Now, from here, we are going to add a new credential from this drop-down menu. So we're going to click here, and then we're going to go to our Stripe account and enter here our Stripe secret key. Once you do that, click on Save, and there you have it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!